Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Smartsheet desktop app for project approvals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Smartsheet website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the resources menu. Hover over or click on the resources option to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Downloads. You will be redirected to the Downloads page. Scroll down until you find the section for the Smartsheet desktop app. Locate the download link specifically for your operating system, whether Windows or Mac. Click on the appropriate download button. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Choose your preferred installation options as prompted. After the installation is complete, launch the Smartsheet app. Sign in using your Smartsheet account credentials. You are now ready to use the Smartsheet desktop app for project approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.